got her on choke, so a little bit of a burble and she's running fast, but she has never run like this before. Really very happy with that. So, stuck exhaust valve, number 5 cylinder. Head gaskets. New gaskets for the thermostat, which I did check, by the way. She opened up right at 160. All new bolts for the manifolds. With the exception of my 2 original bolts I put in 07. And my head gasket. You can see these 2 front bolts. Those were stripped when I brought it back from Africa. I think the French must have stripped them. Probably trying to use the original technical manual specs for torquing down the head, which is way off. I torqued mine to 75. Now I'm going to let her warm up here, heat it up, open the thermostat up, and then I'm going to go ahead and re-torque my head. I'm going to check it. But overall, pretty pleased with the choke off. She'll idle down around 600. Choke on right now, she's idling at about 1500, less than 2000. And my temperature gauge is starting to come up. My oil gauge is not working. I'm not sure. I've got a spare oil gauge, but for some reason it was working. Now it's not. So both my fuel tanks are full. They both read full. Frustrating to have to take that damn thing out again, but I need to get that replaced. So she's just about opening up in temperature. Alright, she's idling down a bit. I still got to adjust it. I got a little bit of a gallop there with that old carb, but actually she's running pretty smooth over that. I can live with that. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed. Bye.